Hi, hello, welcome to my channel TechShe. Today's class is about basic MATLAB programming. Previous class we have seen how to install MATLAB software into your PC. I installed MATLAB R 2017 A version into my PC. I opened the MATLAB software. The window is like this. Previously in MATLAB introduction class we have seen in MATLAB how many windows are there? 3 windows. Command window, this is the command window. Current directory, this is the current directory. Current folder and current directory are same. Workspace is command history. Command window, current directory, command history. These are the 3 windows. Command window, workspace, current folder. Current directory means current folder stores file names of the MATLAB functions. All the file names of the MATLAB functions stored in this current folder. This workspace, all the commands entered in this command window, the variables are stored in this workspace. Variables used in current program are stored in this workspace. In command window we are writing the commands. Understood? In command window we are writing the commands. All the file names of the MATLAB function stored in current folder. In workspace, all the variables of the current program are shown in workspace. Clear na? Let us write the basic commands in command window. First of all, I am taking the variable A. I am assigning the value 2 to the variable A. Enter. See here in workspace the variable A is shown value 2. Have you seen this workspace? Have you observed? I am taking the variable B. I am assigning 6 value to the B. Enter. See here B value is coming in workspace. I am writing the basic command CLC clear all close all are there na. Clear all I am writing. What it means? Clear all, which clears the workspace variables. All these A, B variables are cleared with this clear all statement. I am pressing the enter. See, these variables in workspace A, B are cleared. Next, CLC. CLC means which clears the command window. Command window will be cleared with this CLC. So many statements we are writing. If we want to clear the command window, then we have to write CLC. I am pressing enter. See, all the commands will be cleared. Close all. What close all will do? I am opening one figure window. See here, figure window opened. When I write the close all the windows will be closed. Means here we opened one figure window that will be closed when I am pressing enter. I am pressing enter. See here, figure window closed. This is what is happening here. Clear all, close all, CLC. You understood, right? These are the basic commands we have to write before each and every program. Whenever you are writing any MATLAB program, these 3 commands are compulsory. Let us write the new program. I am taking the new script. When I am pressing this new script, the editor window will be opened. Here we have to write our program. Whenever we are writing the program, we have to write the three basic commands. What are those? Clear all, close all, CLC. These three commands are compulsory for any program. Let us write the addition program. A equal to 5, B equal to 6 I am taking, C equal to A plus D. We have to display the answer. Display C I am writing. We have to save this program. Control S. Every MATLAB program will be saved with the extension of .m. I am storing on desktop Saujanya folder. Edit I am taking. Save. See, edit.m saved. Let us run the program by clicking on this green button, run. To run this file, you can either change the MATLAB current folder or add its folder to the MATLAB path. We have to add to the path. See here, answer is displayed here in command window 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. All the variables are shown in workspace A, B, C. It is clear now how to write the basic program, basic MATLAB program. Addition program you have seen here. You know what are the windows: command window, current directory and command history. In the next class we will see the another program, basic programmings. Step by step we will go to the advanced stage. It is clear